Okay? Because on the last problem, we separated all those multiplications, right? You guys remember I took each multiplication, I separated it. Here, you cannot separate addition over division. You cannot say 10y squared over 35y squared plus 15y over 15y minus 5y. You cannot do that. All right? For multiplication and division, we can do that. But for addition and subtraction, you cannot separate it over multiplication and division. So we need to figure out a different way, right? Because what we did last time is we simplified them, right? You can't do that over addition and subtraction. So we need to figure out a different way. And the whole theme of this new chapter we're going to be dealing with is factoring. Factoring and then factoring. So what we're going to want to do is, let's see, can we factor out our numerator? Is there something that these two terms have in common? 5 and a y. Why? So you have 5y. So you're left with 2y plus 3. Does everybody agree? Now let's factor out the denominator. Notice, ladies and gentlemen, when I factored, I now separated it into, instead of an addition problem, I now rewrote it as a multiplication problem. And what was helpful about multiplication problems? Multiplication problems we can separate, right? And simplify. That's why that's so important. So here we need to factor out a, let's factor out a 5y. Factor out 5y, you're left with 7y minus 1. Now, since we have now rewritten them in multiplication, I can now simplify them. These divide out to 1. You guys see? OK, that's it. That's all you guys got. So